If you've lost a loved one, we're deeply sorry for you. Nothing can replace your loved one, and that is the greatest truth. This is likely the most emotionally painful experience in life. If your loved one died because of someone else's carelessness, anger and resentment are added to your grief. Aside from the emotion and stress, you're likely experiencing the fear and stress of paying for the loved one's unexpected losses and expenses that can hinder you from moving on with your life. Nothing can bring your loved one back, but Illinois law allows you to recoup the expenses from the responsible party through a wrongful death claim or lawsuit. The purpose of this type of lawsuit is to allow the spouse or next of kin to recover compensation for the losses suffered by the death. Additionally, wrongful death claims allow certain other types of recoveries, but all the benefits are for the family of the deceased and not necessarily the deceased person. So to secure any award, you must take some action to assert your claim, and I hope you will.